going on, guys? This is Charles from 5 Days Talking Toys. So this is another part of my last CAS order. This is all the Star Wars items I got. I split the video into two separate ones, one for the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and one for Star Wars. So let's get to it. So let's start off. We got a couple Probots. We got a 85 plus. I don't think I can even show you this, but it's an 85 plus. And then I got another Probot, 85. So I think I have like really bad OCD. So I send in multiples of one thing because I try to get the highest grade I possibly can. So you'll see that in this video. Some of these things are probably ridiculous to most people, but like, who would send in 3 trash monsters? Now, if I told you all 3 of these graded exactly the same, the odds of that, I'm sure, have to be low. But 95. 95. And guess what? 95. Now, were these really, really nice and mint? Yes. I wouldn't have sent them in if they weren't. I'm just shocked they all got a 95. Just shocks me. But I will take it. 3 95s. 95 is the highest grade I've ever gotten on anything. I'm sure on the Trash Monster it's not terribly hard, but right, I have them all on the floor, so don't mind me. So we have a Han Hoth, Hong Kong, 85. IG 88. Got an 85. That's Hong Kong. We got a Ugnaught, purple, 85. We got a Jawa, dark brown Stitch, 85. And to break the streak, the nicest Death Star droid I probably ever sent in, 85 plus. It was perfect. So remember, if you watched one of my previous videos, I graded a ESB collection from Adam Stevenson. He sells on Deal or No Deal, and I told you that if he says something's mint, it is. So he sold me, out of the whole lot, this is the only one that was his. It's a Princess Leia Taiwan. So it is a Taiwan Leia, which I didn't have, and it is an 85 plus. Pretty much just missed a 90. So Adam Stevenson, thank you again. I needed that one. We have a Emperor No COO, 90. Okay, moving along. This was the only die-cast one I got back. It is a Cloud Car, right? Twin pod Cloud Car. Yeah. So it is a 80 plus, which, as you know, these are metal and they were painted, so they are extremely hard to grade. And they take an extremely long time. Next up, R2, 8-inch. This was the cleanest and whitest R2 I've ever seen. Not that I've seen millions of them or even hundreds or tens, but I've had my hands on handfuls of these, and this got a 85. now. This is white. Looks perfect. I actually got this one on eBay. The guy said it's never been played with. It looked just whiter than anything on there. So I sent it in, and I've never seen a whiter one. And I never will, because I'll never buy another one. So let's start up on these mock-ups. So some of these, like this one, is a loose graded figure, and they put it in front of a card back. So this is a 21 back, maybe? Can't really say, but it's something. Hong Kong, it is a 85 plus. So it's cool. You don't have to worry about having a blister or a bubble and it cracking, and this is, he just sits right in front of the card back perfectly fine. So that's an 85 plus. I believe that one sold. Someone wanted it. Here is another one. This is a Hong Kong. This is gonna be an 85. It's some kind of 41 back. Not great with card backs. Here is a 12 back Luke Skywalker. Now this, so the blister was cracked or pulled or something on top, so you can remove the Luke figure. So CAS grades the actual figure, and they put it back into the blister, and they wrap the acrylic around the blister, and now you have a 12 back Luke without having to worry about anything with the blister, because it is acrylic all the way around. And he's in the blister, he has the original footer and all that, and it got an 80, which is, for Luke, that is good. Here we have another Boba Fett, some kind of 41 back, I believe. And this got a 85, Hong Kong. I love these because there's no worrying about the blister cracking or yellowing, or all those worries are out the window. You don't have to worry about it. This is a no COO IG88, which is extremely hard to even find. Graded no COO IG88, and this got a 85. Just missed an 85 plus, and he was put back into the blister, and he is wrapped in acrylic all the way around, and they tape his two blasters right on the side. So this is an awesome piece. Here's another one. This is a Han Solo, no COO, I believe. Yep, no COO. He is a 85, wrapped in acrylic. There, and with the card back and all. I believe on the back of the card back it was a made in China. So I guess made in China means no COO. I don't know, but it is what it is. And then I got these two modern Ahsokas, which I already had. And I believe they both got a 90. They both got a 90. So some of these things will be for sale on rogue5toys.com. Some of them may be on sale on other pages. A lot of this stuff won't be for sale. So now remember I was telling you about my OCD? Who would do this? I would. So we got a Max 85. We got a Max 85. I love these separated ones. I like them better separated than I do all in one. And this, they actually they did this one differently than the other one. See the other one? They put acrylic and wrapped it around that little notch over there. Well, this one, they didn't do it. Just has the acrylic over here. Good part is, this is a 90 and I wasn't planning on selling it, so I am going to keep that one. The other two will probably be for sale on Rogue5Toys.com. Here is Droopies. We got a 90. We got a 85. And an 85. So these are kind of mix and match for me. I'll probably take the 90s and match them up. And then sell the 85s. Last but not least, Dice and Rules. So we got an 85. So some of these have black mics, silver flute. All depends. They're all different. This is another 85. And then this is a 90. Dice and Rules. And last but not least is my ATST that came in broken. So CIS actually did a nice video on this and posted it on their Instagram page. So if you want to actually see this in one piece, if you go onto Instagram and go onto CIS's tag or whatever you want to call it, they have a video of this there. So this thing stood no chance. Whoever packed this packed it upside down. So it was hanging upside down the entire time. The lid, top, cap, whatever you want to call this, fell off. I'm going to assume it was acrylic because there is a piece of acrylic in the corner right here that fell off. And then to make matters worse, I don't know who they have working here, but look, the front guns, so they have holes in the acrylic. They put one gun through the hole, and the other gun, as you can see, is just smashed right against it, not even put through. So this was shipped, I believe, in July. Yeah, so I shipped it in May. They checked it in July of 21. So it's been 1 year, whatever, 16 months. So after 16 months, I get it, and it is broken. Again, I think I said this in the last video with the turtles. Whoever they have in charge of packing, or that guy that looks it over right before they ship it, he needs to be retrained, or they need to fire the guy and get someone new, because you can't, some of this stuff like that's noticeable. Like, the guy his job should be to look, that front blaster is not through the hole. Let's not ship that one out to the customer. Let's redo it. But no. And then whoever is actually doing the packing, who packs it upside down? Like, I took it out of the box. This vehicle, 16 months, packed upside down. It's absolutely ridiculous. This stuff will go back. Hopefully I get this back in a reasonable amount of time, and It's not for sale, it's only for display. I've been wanting this thing for forever, so I finally found one that's worth sending in for grading, so I did, and I don't know. We'll see what happens, but thank you for watching. I'm going to assume I should probably get another CIS box maybe in the next week or so, or a few weeks, and then I'm still waiting on my AFA stuff. I have about 250 items at AFA, so we'll see what happens, but thank you for watching. If you can, please like this video, subscribe, comment, make fun of me, make fun of CIS, just write something on the bottom. Let's get some engagement on some of these videos, and thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great day. Bye.